Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm taking you guys back a few months ago to show you how I started doing a yard makeover. So as you can see, this is before we did the concrete that I showed you guys on the last video. Just explaining to you how, again, just getting right out of the car onto the grass just killed the grass area. This area right here around my crepe myrtle tree just needed a little more pizzazz. So I'm going to be cutting that out and making the bed larger. And then also up on the front bed, I'm going to be cleaning that out as well because you can just see the weeds were going crazy. So I'm just going to be quiet on this video and let you guys watch and see how it turned out, and hopefully you like it. All right, y'all, I got some help out here now. Don't ask me why my son has on that big old coat, because it's breezy, but it is not cold like that. It actually feels good. But my boy's out here helping me now. Let me show y'all where we're at. Boom, your girl did that. So I'm getting all of that pulled out. What we're going to be doing is pouring some concrete here, and I honestly feel like I can do it myself, but Antonio wants to get somebody to come do it. I don't know why. It's really not a big area, but hey, whatever. I'll show y'all the process. But so far we've gotten this pulled out. They're getting that mulch put up that I dug out yesterday, and then I'm going to finish clearing out this area. So then I also went and bought a huge boulder that you see here. And like I said, I opened up that bed and decided to put that down there just to give it a little more interest. And I also took the lights off of my garage and decided to paint those as well, just to brighten up the curb appeal a little bit. And then what I didn't mention to y'all on the last video was that before I put down the concrete and all that, I actually had to move our irrigation. So I had to dig it up and just move the plumbing over a little bit so that we wouldn't be putting concrete right on top of it. So your girl did that too. But of course, the last time I left you guys, you saw how the concrete pad turned out, and it was not the same texture as the rest of the concrete. So right now in the next clip, I'm going to show you guys what we used to fix it. And yeah, aggregate in it, like regular concrete. So it just makes it really smooth. So no big chunky rocks in this like you would find in other concrete. So again, let me say for the record, you guys, I am not a professional. I just try stuff, and sometimes it turns out good, so I share it with y'all. So make sure you guys, if you are not, follow me on TikTok, because some of these clips that you see that are vertical like this, these are just clips I've taken from TikTok to kind of show you guys a little bit more of the process. But make sure you're following me at Nisi Does It on TikTok and Nisi Does It on Instagram. Okay, all right, so I started panicking because it was too thick and it was not going on smooth. It splashed everywhere. Y'all look at me, this is terrible. But semi-successful. All right, you guys, so what I'm about to do next is put down the pavers. Right now, I just kind of got them in place just to see how this layout would look, because I was trying a bunch of different things. So this is how the concrete turned out. It actually did not turn out bad, but I'm not sure what is going on here. I don't know if it's still wet or if I need to go back over it a little bit. After it rained yesterday, it just left this spot right here, and that looks terrible. So I'm not sure why I did that, but other than that, it came out okay. After I used the layer of topcrete, I can't think of that, flow coat. After I used the top layer of flow coat, it actually turned out okay. But that spot right there, yeah, so I don't know, I have to do something about that. But right now, we're about to put these pavers down the right way, which means we got to put down some base and some paver sand, and then some polymeric sand, which gets hard when you put it between the pavers and wet it and all that good stuff. So this is the layout I have chosen to go with, and now I am about to get to work. Whoa. So you guys, I've really just been thinking a lot about my channel and just the things that I love to do. And I'm really considering just moving this to more of a home channel just in general, because I just really enjoy taking care of my home. I really do, from the yard to the inside to just even sometimes just cleaning. So I am considering sharing more with you guys on just keeping up the house, not necessarily everything being a makeover. If you guys are for that, then please let me know. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in Nisi taking care of home, which is what I'm considering calling it. But yeah, I just enjoy it so much. God has blessed me with a great husband, great family, great home, and I just try to take care of everything that he blesses me with. And I just feel like it's just kind of my duty as a wife to do that. But anyway, um, here I am doing some final touches, just installing some flowers and some shrubs that my yard really needed. I needed some color. And y'all, look what my husband got me. This was actually a Mother's Day gift. This makeover took months, but he got me this tree for Mother's Day. I really wanted something on the corner there just to kind of anchor the space. And he got me this really pretty ligustrum that blooms white bloom. So I cannot wait to have it bloom. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is pretty much the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys an overview. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it turned out. And also let me know if you're going to be refreshing your yard since spring is here. So I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.